Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install IDM without any problem, just without any crack or keygen or anything. You just have to follow me and step by step, don't skip any part of the video. There will be IDM for you to install without any problem. Okay, first you have to uninstall any IDM from your system if you have installed it previously. If you are not if you don't have any IDM application not installed, don't do this step. Okay, let's go. Just uninstall it. Okay, nice. Let's go. Open any browser if you have. Just go to cracknew.com. Okay, find IDM, search IDM. Okay, click on it. Okay, go straight down, download the pre-activated version, download it. The download process is a little bit complicated, follow my steps. Okay, just tick I'm not a robot, continue. Next, it's loading. Okay, sorry for my internet connection, it's a little bit slow. Okay, wait for 6 seconds. After 10 seconds, okay, after 10 seconds, click on get link. There will be a ad, cut it, and again click on get link. Now click on direct download. Make sure you have clicked on pre-activated version direct download. Okay, come here, download gens file. Okay, click on free download, go down, wait for 30 seconds. I'll be back after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds you have to click on I'm not a robot. Okay, there will be ad, cut it, I'm not a robot. Okay, you have to do a captcha file or just traffic lights. Okay, click it. Next, crossover locks. Okay, let's go. Next, verified. Okay, create download link. It's an ad, cut it, create download link. Okay, now click here to download. Okay, save it on desktop, save. Just wait till it downloads. I'll be back after it downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. Just cut the browser and come here. There's the file. Okay, just put it in here, extract here. Okay, open the folder, click on password, copy the password. You will need the password to open that zip file. Okay, just click on it, paste the password here. Okay, go to IDM folder, download the IDM.exe. It's that easy, just install and you will be okay. Click the English language. If you want to use that language you can. Okay, let's go next, install. Okay, done. Okay, you have to go to Microsoft Store to install the IDM integration module. Okay, this is pre-installed in my system. You have to just click here to install it, and it will be available in your Chrome browser just like this. Let me show you. Just come to Chrome browser. Here it is. Click on it. Just let's go to the YouTube. Okay, click any video you like to see. Let's see this one. Okay, here is the download option. Click on download, or you can download it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like that video, click the thumbs up button, and if you got any problem or any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, goodbye.